Our occupations. And occupations mean a job which a person usually does to earn his livelihood. People generally choose their occupation according to their skills and physical strength. The different types of jobs they work as engineers, doctors, teachers, etc. Farming. India is a primarily an agriculture country. Here, a large number of people are involved in farming. They grow different types of crops. Farming involves the cultivation of crops and animals rearing. People who do farming are called farmers. They grow cereals, food grains, vegetables, fruits, etc. A lot of water is needed for irrigation. Fields are irrigated with the help of canals, dams, wells, and tube wells. Cattle rearing. There are many other occupations which are related to a farming. People are rear cattle and sheep. Cows, buffaloes, and goats are reared for milk. Some people are rear sheep for wool. Poultry farming. Some people rear hens. It is called poultry farming. They keep birds like hens for eggs and meat. Occupations related to forestry. Our forestry is full of thick forest. Forests are storehouses of wood, gum, and herbs. They provide us several occupations. Some people cut trees to get wood. Wood is used in the constructions of houses and furnitures. Some people collect gum and herbs, which are used to make many different things. Mining. Our country is rich in minerals and has a large deposit of coal, iron, copper, zinc, etc. Mining is the process of taking out of these substances from the earth. After dug out, they are refined in factories. We get variety of metals out of these minerals. Fishing. Fishing is a major occupation for many people who live in the coastal areas. They catch and sell fish. It is an important source of food. Besides food, fish provide us a sort of oil. Fish are processed and packed and then transported to various places. Indians are engaged in several other occupations.
Hi children, welcome to the class, that is class 3 and subject is social, and today's topic is our occupations. Again under this, today we are going to learn the meaning of occupation, different types of occupation and how occupations are changing in our life. For example, now if you are not feeling well, where do you go to? Where do you go to? You go to a doctor. Your parents will take you to doctor. Why? Because doctor will take care of us and he will give us the medicines. Okay? For example, next, if you go to school, who will teach you? A teacher. Yes? For example, we have so many occupations now like greengrocers. Whom do you call greengrocers? The person who sells the vegetables or the green leaves, we call them as a greengrocers. And other examples like doctors, chemists are all the occupations. The people do or the people have their own occupation. Now, the meaning. What do you mean by occupation? Occupation means the job or the work people do to earn money. Now, why do we need money? We need to spend the money to buy things or to pay the bills. Yes, we need to buy the things or to pay the bills like their interest or what they earn, and also like depending on their skills. What is that? People choose the occupation according to the following, like the first one as per their interest. Like according to their interest. What is this according to their interest? Means like if you want to become a doctor, you should learn or you should read science. If you want to be a teacher, you should go to arts or other subjects. If you want to pick a work in the bank, you have to read or learn about the commerce. So different as depending upon your interest also, it depends on the occupation. The next thing, what you learn. Okay. The next one, depending on their skills. What is that? The next one one is depending on their interest, what you wanted to be. The other one, what you learn. The other one, depending on your skills. Okay. The first one, example like some people are interested in sports, like running or something if you are interested in the sports, and also you'll be very fit and strong. They may become sport persons or join the police, or also you can join in the army. The next one, when people work, they either do some action or make something. Example, a teacher teaches. Now I am a teacher, I am teaching you. Okay, a potter make pots. You all know the mud pots. Who will do this? Potters. Here are some occupations that involve people doing some actions. Okay, depending the action, depending what we make. Okay, people making things and people what they are doing some actions. Like coming for doing some actions, we can example doctor, sweeper, teacher, policewoman or policeman or greengrocers, drivers. All these come under the doing some actions. Now, some other occupations, they involve people making things. Like example, farmer, factory workers, or the chef, one who work in the hotels, and potters, as I said, they make pots. And carpenter, yes, you all know carpenters, the one who do the woodworks, and construction worker, like constructing the buildings. Okay, now let us find out some difference between the people who do and the people who make. Okay, the first one, people who do are their actions. Depending on the action, we can say the occupation of the people or the main part of their occupation. Example, sweepers sweep the streets. Who? Sweepers sweep the streets to keep them clean, keep the area clean. Coming to the next one, we can only see the actions they do. What it is, we can see the actions like if they are sweeping, we can see the action there. Okay, if they are selling the vegetables, we can see the action. Teacher while teaching, we can see the action. Or driver while driving, we can see the action. Next one, we can see the work they do every day. Example, we can see, or you all can see a teacher teaching every day. The next one for this example are teachers, doctors, sweepers, police and nurses. The next part will come across the people who are making. Okay, example, they help us by creating or making things. Means creating something, creativity or creating new things. Okay, the next one by making things. For example, farmers grow us what we eat like food crops. The other one we can see, touch and feel the things. Like teaching, can you feel and touch? No. The doctor will treat us, can you feel and touch? No, it's not possible. So, action things only we can see our depending on the occupation. But the making we can touch and feel. Like farmer growing the crops, you can touch the crop, you can feel the crops. Yes, and we can see, touch and feel the things they make. They make or take days, weeks or even months to make things. Like potters, as I said, he may take week or he may take months. Like growing crops, it takes 3 months. Some crops come across 6 months. So depending on the months he will make. And example like farmers, potters, factory workers, chefs and carpenters. This is about the difference between making actions and one of the people who make. Okay children, you got this? The next part is some other occupation. Apart from these doctors or the actions and the making, we have some other occupations. Like all occupations are equally important. The occupation, what we are doing, from the sweepers to the doctors, every actions or the every occupations are very important and equal. So what we have to do is we have to respect. We should respect all the people who do or make different things. Okay, you all have to respect everyone equally. And for example, postal workers, nurses and posters or painters, electricians, carpenters, mechanics and plumbers are the few other occupations or examples of other occupations. Now, let us look of a few more occupations. The first one, it is policeman or policewoman. What we call them? Policeman or policewoman. What will they do? They actually monitor. That is, they monitors. You all have leaders in your classroom. What do? They monitor your classrooms. They all make you to sit quiet, to do your work properly, to follow the rules what are done in your classrooms or schools. Okay. Likewise, the policemen also follow or they make us to. Means publics, they make publics to follow the rules. The police are the monitors of our country. So what do we call the police? They are the monitors of our country. A police station, you all know the police station. If something get robbed or something get theft, what do? We can go and complain in the police station. So a police station is a place where several policemen and policewomen work. The police do the following. What do? For now, they keep our neighborhood safe. What do? They all keep us safe. They make sure that people follow rules. Because in the traffics and all, what do? They make us to follow the rules. That is, we have to go slow. We should wear the helmet. Yes, they make us to follow the rules. Because they also keep us safe by making these rules. The next point, they catch people who try to harm others. Means when they harm others, they also catch them and punish them. So we have to respect them. When someone does something wrong, where we can complain to the police. If something goes wrong, where can we complain? We can go to police station and do the complaint. To do this, we must go to a police station. The police help us record what happened there. They write down the complaint. What do? They write down the complaint. Okay. This is about the policeman or the policewoman. The next one we come across is the other occupation are sweepers. You all know sweeping? You all clean your house. By sweeping we can keep our house clean. Okay. Now we will learn about sweepers. Sweepers keep our streets clean. What do? They keep our streets or areas clean. They clean our surroundings. They mostly work during early morning. So early morning when you go or your dustbins and all, what do? They carry all the dust in the dustbins. They collect it. Yes. From the municipal people you can watch them. What do? From the municipal, they also clean the areas. We call them as sweepers. They work in all kinds of weather. Whether it is hot, whether it is cold, during the rainy. In all the seasons, what do? They do their work. Very hard, we can respect them by throwing waste in the dustbin. So what you have to do is, you should not throw it after eating your chocolates or some other wrappers, you should not throw in the road. What you have to do is, you have to collect it and you have to throw in the dustbin. Okay. The next part is about the farmers. This is from the sweepers. The next part we will learn about the farmers. Yes children, what do these farmers do? Farmers grow different crops because your mama will cook variety of foods by growing. Who will grow this? The farmers. Yes, they mostly work during early mornings. Even the farmers also work in the early mornings. This is when there is less traffic on the roads. Okay. Okay. Now, farmers grow different crops. Many farmers also rear crows, hens and goats. Not only growing crops, they also rear the animals. Okay, they also rear the animals like sheep, goat, cow, hen. Okay. Sometimes for growing crops or when working in the fields, they work in the early morning because in the hot sun they will not be possible to work. Okay. Now as I said, they also rear the animals like sheep, goat, hen and also cow. What is the use of this? We get some dairy products like milk. Okay. We get milk. Then this is about the farmers. The next part is factory workers. Factory workers work in factories. We all know that factory workers work in factories. They make different things such as cars. You all know, no? Your father will drive. Yes? So, they work in factories like car factory or utensils, shoe factory, television sets and so on. They work in team. Okay? They learn how to use different types of tools and machines. Okay children, this is about the other occupations. Now, as I said, changes. See how occupations are changing. Now, changes in occupations over time, depending on the time, like new inventions. When new inventions are invented, people who can run these machines are required. So what do we require? We require machines. This means that new occupations are created because all the work has to be done before in the earlier days. All the works was used to be done by the human beings, but now we can see robots, machines, right? So here some of the works are required by making them machines to work. This means that new occupations are created. Example, after the camera was invented, you all know camera? Yes. After the camera was invented, people started working as the camera persons. You can see in the functions like marriage ceremony, naming ceremony, housing ceremony, some other occasions, good occasions, you will see the cameramen. Yes, they will make us very beautiful. Yes, they take us very good pic of us. Yes, we call them cameraman. Okay, the next one, machines replacing jobs. Whom they are replacing? Their machines are replacing human beings. Sometimes machines can do things faster than humans and without any mistakes. Yes. So sometimes a machine does that work instead of people. This means people have to leave that occupation because machines are working instead of the humans. Example, in many factories, example car factories, we can see cars are put together by robots. Yes, by robots, not by the humans. Okay, so here cars had to change their jobs. Means the people who are working in the car factories have to change their jobs. This is about the changing occupation. The next one, like changes in society. Society is the public. Sometimes people change the way they live. Some changes has to be happened or result in the new occupations. Example, here earlier women used to remain at home. I think you can see your mama, some mothers will stay at the home as a housemakers. Yes, but some are working. They are coming and working outside. Okay, like sometimes the occupation remains the same. So here women have started working, therefore many people have started working, okay, as like babysitters. Easier way of doing things. Some of the easier way of doing things are sometimes the occupation remains the same, however it is done differently, but it will be in a different way. The next one is easier way of doing things is example, earlier cashiers working in banks, you can see where counting the notes, that is rupees. Okay, before the humans used to count the rupees, but nowadays in the bank we can see the counting machines. Okay, because the machine themselves count how many notes are there. Okay, this is one example. So banks have now counting machines which counts itself. Okay, instead of cashiers we can see the counting machines. Okay children, I think in today's class we have learnt about our occupations, like the meaning of occupation, different types of occupation, and how occupations are changing in our life. Okay children, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.